Hey guys, so you all know my super laggy game Dummy, right? Yeah, it's so laggy, oh my god. So laggy. I can't even play it anymore. Huh. Wait a second. Did Killer Shark just upload a new video? I think it's called How to Beat Chapter 5 of Dummy. Wait a second. You're telling me he did this without any lag? Well, you are precisely saying that correctly. Because, in today's video, we are going to be showing you guys the brand new not lag fixed update. Typing. God, spelling error. I hate spelling errors so much. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm just titling my video. It's not made for kids. Okay. Alright. So anyways, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The only reason you guys would experience lag is if you have a laggy PC like me. But thankfully, my iPad and my phone both do not experience that much lag on Roblox games. They have very good FPS. Now, where is my game? There it is. We are going to be making a video of updating my game. Epic, right? Yes, it is. Get started creating your own experiences. Oh my god, I'm gonna create a very nice experience for people to play. It's gonna be so experiencing. Oh my god, so many experiences. No, sorry. If you see this always happens. Script recovery. It's because my old AI script didn't work. I might actually have to start removing them from the old dummy characters, so I don't see that stupid thing pop up again. Wait, hold on. Workspace. Where is? No, never mind. Actually, I'm not gonna risk it right now because I can do something. Anyways, in today's update, first off, we are removing these idiots because they do nothing. It's like the easiest boss fight in the history of boss fights. This is supposed to be hard. Like, you guys should like be beating this. Oh yeah. Also, I think when Chapter 6 comes out, if I ever do release Chapter 6, I kind of cancel it, but I might actually release it again if it's actually starting not to be laggy anymore. Whenever I release Chapter 6, I'm probably going to delete the badge for the secret badge, but then the secret badge players will benefit because that's going to be the Chapter 6 badge. Yep, so go get your secret badge right now if you really, really want the Chapter 6 badge, because that's the only way I'm going to do the badges, and I'm not spending another 100 Robux that I don't even have. I know, I have less than 100 Robux. I actually got scammed out of 10 Robux today. I keep getting random Robux. I had 12 left, then I got 14 one day, then I got 16 one day. Now today I was left with just 6. Nothing even happened. Maybe Sam bought a shirt on my account, I don't know. But still, I'm not even going to assume that. The update will include something I've been wanting to do for a while. See this? See this timer over here? See, I've been wanting to remove this for a while. Or I guess I'll actually remove it and put the join game button whenever like the next update comes out, because like actually, you know what? I might do it now, but I want to see if people are like laggy first. Like basically what I'm trying to say is I want to redo the lobby. The lobby looks kind of dumb, in my opinion. So I'm going to be redoing the lobby. It's going to look a lot better, but only on one condition. You guys subscribe and like the video right now and tell me if the game is laggy or not in the comments. Because if it's still laggy for you guys, I might not be able to make updates anymore. But we'll see if it's laggy for you guys. But I do want to add a small update still. So what should I add? What I could do, what have people been wanting for a very long time on any piggy game? You might be thinking to yourself, Well, Cole, what have people been wanting? Especially mobile players. Oh, I just got an idea. Yeah, if you go on the toolbox and go shift lock mobile. Yeah, mobile shift lock. People have been wanting mobile shift lock in Piggy games for so long, and computer shift lock. Well, computer shift lock is already enabled, but I'll be enabling mobile shift lock in this update. Plus maybe some other few things if you guys like the video right now. But yeah, shift lock button for mobile. I forgot which one I used. One of these works, trust me. Starter GUI. Okay, I'm putting this in Starter GUI. It's better work. We got a button. That could do something. Time GUI. That thing. Okay, let's see if this works. If this button works, update could already be out. Because I said update soon on the title. Dummy. Alright, welcome to Dummy. Click to play. New Ice King boss. I'm gonna have to change that. It's probably in a GUI script. I'm gonna have to see what that is. Kebab put it in there. I'm going to have to say, just make him remove the Ice King. Like, new Ice King boss. Where's the shift lock button? Where's the shift lock? Do I have to remove this stupid thing? Oh my god, no. Never mind. Okay, this is a problem, though. So, we're going to have to do a different button. I'm sorry, boys. Not as easy as I thought it was. Intro? Whoa. Part 1. Part 2. I don't know how to do that. Starting local script. Intro music visualizer. Intro noise. That's how he did it. Okay. So we're going to have to remove the shift lock button and mobile shift lock script. I don't want a script. I want the button. I want a button. Japanese? What is this? Shift lock G. Are you kidding me? I have to scroll all the way down? Are you telling me? Why do I have so many parts in this? And I'm not going to group them because that's what most of the lag was caused by somehow. I don't know how, but when it ungrouped it, it like relieved half of the lag. Start GUI. Okay, so you're telling me I did all of this just for it to not... Okay, edited mobile shift lock. Mobile shift lock. Starter GUI. Why? No. Wait. I see something. But still, no. That looks kind of weird. Edited mobile shift lock. Starter GUI. Please. Put in, wedge. Wedge? You think a wedge is gonna help? Okay, fine. Shift lock.
I got your other boot.
Okay. Button. Shift lock button for shift lock. Shift lock button. Mobile shift lock. Put in starter GUI. Yes, this better be right. Can I move this? No, I can't. That's sad. Play. Please. Please work. Wait, hold on. Oh, my dog. Load faster! Go, please. Oh, yeah, it's not there. Roblox. Wait, I do have a good idea though. If I go on mobile and see if it's there, that'd be sick. Like, not the kind of, like, you know, banana virus sick. I'm talking normal sick, as in epicness. Okay, we're going to undo that. What the flipper roonies is this? What is that? No, remove that. I ain't doing nothing. Let's do this. That's not gonna do anything. Shift lock controller. Really? All the way down. This should work, maybe. Yes. Instructions. Hello there. Make this model work. Moving it. Starter GUI. Wait. Simply press button. What button? What button? Where? I don't see a button anywhere. And move it around. Yeah, it's so helpful. Okay, let's go home. Okay, let's move out of script menu. Oh, but okay, so I can. Okay, take 2. Okay, I see. Wait. Hold on. Hold your no, just pretend I never said that. Hold your horses. Yeah, the troll game. It's back. Wait, hold on. Right, maybe right here next to sprint. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good right there. Let's go test it out and see if it works. If this somehow doesn't work, I'm going to flip out. Please work, please work. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? I want mobile shift lock. It doesn't really have to be that hard. How is mobile shift lock this hard? Okay, that's it. I'm going on mobile. I'm going to try this. I'm going to stop my game. I'm going to go on my phone. I'm going to try this update out for myself. File it. We're going to publish it to Roblox, and I'll be back when I can. Alright, boys. We got good news. It actually works on mobile. Let's go. It's actually sick how that works on mobile. Oh my god, yes. I love life. So now we're going to basically just title this update shift lock, maybe, yeah? Well, no, I don't want to delete Roblox. No, I just wanted to test it out. I'm very sorry, App Store. Here we go. Shift lock. I've actually been wanting to add this for a while. New limited time boss fight. Nah, that ain't what's up anymore. Let's put a line. Nice. Alright, and now we're going to the new stuff. Shift lock is finally here. It will make the game a lot easier. Smiley face. Fix some bugs too, but to be honest, who cares about that? XD. Alright. File. Publish to Roblox. Alright, now we're going to be playing the game. So when you go onto the dummy description, oh my god, ooh, shift lock, I better start clicking on the game. Oops, wrong thing. But don't worry, with my handy dandy mouse, I can bring myself right back there. Yeah, my mouse is a cool button. I think every mouse does, honestly, besides like gamer mouses. Alright, so we have a bunch of patch notes over here, but then shift lock is finally here, and it will make the game a lot easier. Smiley face. Fix some bugs too, but like, to be honest, who cares about that? XD. Okay, for now it's actually not loading on my computer, which is kind of funny, but I know it works because I did it on my phone and it loaded instantly. But what I can do, I'm pretty sure, is, it just said joining server. Oh, it didn't register. Let's go. For some apparent reason, mobile shift lock isn't actually on the computer, but I think that's actually better because shift lock is enabled anyways. Alright, I don't care if it's laggy on here, because it's like always laggy on here. In the next update, if it's not laggy for you guys, I'll be changing the map, but the video is about to end, so bye!